Shaking cocktails for charity. Shaking cocktails for charity. Shaking cocktails for charity. We've more than doubled our goal for Child's Play. Let's grab a shaker for this one. 2 ounces of strawberry Chew-infused Shochu. 5 of these strawberry candies. And about 200 milliliters of this bottle of Japanese spirits. Do we have chunks?
Oh yeah, there's chunks. I see a chunk.
Pineapple teeth? That just tastes like a strawberry Chew. An ounce of lemon juice, 3/4 of an ounce of lavender syrup, 1/2 ounce of Aquafaba, that's the water inside of your chickpea juice container, not the chickpeas itself. A teaspoon of lemongrass paste. Let's dry shake this first, then add some ice to it and shake it again. Double strain this over an ice spear, top with some club soda, garnish with chickpea powder and lavender buds. Let's give it a try, shall we?
Yeah.
Wow! Like a mildly fruity floral lemonade. There's a certain candy-like note that very clearly is coming from that Chew in there. And a subtle savoriness, too. From the Shochu, dude. Imichao, this was your creation.
Yeah, Imichao, this is good.
This is delightful.